In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the Discord gray screen issue. So, if Discord is opening to a blank gray window or getting stuck on startup, I'll show you several methods that can help solve the problem. So let's jump straight into it. First, completely close Discord on your computer. Now press Ctrl, Shift, and Escape on your keyboard at the same time to open Task Manager. Inside Task Manager, look for any Discord processes running in the background. Right-click on them and select End Task. Once all Discord processes have been closed, press the Windows key and R at the same time to open the Run box. Now type %appdata% and press Enter. Inside this folder, find the Discord folder. Right-click on it and select Delete. After that, click on AppData at the top. Now open the local folder. Once again, find the Discord folder and delete it as well. These folders contain cache files that can sometimes cause the gray screen issue. Now restart your computer. Once your PC turns back on, open Discord again and check if the problem is fixed. If Discord is still stuck on a gray screen, the next method is to reinstall the application. Open Settings on your computer. Go to Apps and then Installed Apps. Find Discord from the list. Click on the three dots next to it and select Uninstall. Once Discord has been removed, open the Microsoft Store. Search for Discord and install the latest version again. After the installation finishes, right-click on Discord and select Run as Administrator. Now launch Discord and check if the gray screen issue has been fixed. If it's still not working, temporarily disable any VPNs or antivirus software running on your computer because they can sometimes interfere with Discord loading properly. And that's how you can fix the Discord gray screen issue. If this video helped you out, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more Discord tutorials and Windows fixes.